Kartikeya, Shiva's son. Shiva's son is embodiment of knowledge, and he has 6 faces, the 5 senses and one that which is beyond the senses, the 6th sense. So knowledge comes to you through the 5 plus one extra sense, the intuitive sense, 6 faces, and he is embodiment of knowledge, Subramania. And then he has 2 consorts, 2 ladies standing next to him. One is the power of desire, the other is the power of action. Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti. They are the 2 consorts of the son of Shiva, and Shiva is the unmanifest consciousness, and what has come out of him, what is born of him is wisdom, knowledge.